When it comes to buying crypto on Uphold, the platform offers a wide range of options for both beginners and experienced investors. Uphold supports major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, as well as emerging altcoins. Bitcoin remains the most secure and widely recognized investment, offering long-term stability in a volatile market. Ethereum stands out for its smart contract capabilities and growing decentralized finance ecosystem, making it a strong contender for potential growth. For investors looking for smaller, high-risk, high-reward options, coins like Cardano, Solana, and Polkadot are available and show promise due to their technology and active development communities. Uphold also provides the ability to trade stablecoins such as USDT, USDC, and DAI. These are pegged to the US dollar and are ideal for those who want to hedge against crypto volatility while still earning small returns through staking or yield opportunities on the platform. Diversifying your portfolio between high-cap coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum and smaller altcoins can balance risk and potential gains effectively. Transaction fees on Uphold are competitive compared to other platforms, and the interface is user-friendly, making it easy to execute trades quickly. You can deposit funds in dollars and convert them directly to your chosen crypto without dealing with multiple exchanges. Uphold's integration with traditional banking allows seamless transfers, making it accessible for everyday investors. Investing consistently, keeping an eye on market trends, and understanding each crypto's use case is essential for maximizing returns. While Bitcoin and Ethereum are considered safer long-term assets, diversifying with promising altcoins and stablecoins ensures your portfolio has a mix of growth and stability. Buying crypto on Uphold can be a strategic move when approached with research and careful planning. By focusing on established cryptocurrencies alongside emerging opportunities, you can build a balanced portfolio with both growth potential and security, all while managing exposure in dollars efficiently.